Now that we have our drawings ready, we're going to start to collect. Essentially, I want you to start to be able to overlay drawing information with rendered information. So I'm going to get into that. I guess there's a little bit more prep you need to do. I want you to put your, we're going to really focus on a couple of renderings, plan sections for this turn-in, and so I'm going to focus there. So what I need you to do, just render your plans. If you just go, okay, I've got my level 1 and I'm going to go up here, export it. What you're going to find is that it's going to be very hard because you might zoom in, zoom out. It's going to be very hard for you to handle or to control its size. And what I mean by size is you to determine size, but it's not, none of it, I mean, this is current window, this is visible portion of current window, and then there's view, which is essentially the window, or sheets, and so every time you render it, if you don't happen to be at the exact same place, like if I'm here sometimes and I'm back here and then sometimes I'm here, this is going to be rendered in a completely different way every time. I'm just going to put it on a sheet. So basically that will stabilize it. So you want to go down to sheets and create new, and to pull up and load the 11 by 17. Okay, so I just go down here, title blocks, I'm going to load the DOM 11 by 17. And then I have already basically ripped out all the stuff. Okay. See what I did? I can load a different one. Well, let's see if I can go back. See if that's any. Okay, so what I did was I went into here. And then I drew some corner lines. It's about 1/4 inch on each corner. And then deleted everything else. That corner, and I have a corner here, a corner there, a corner there. And then save that into my DA 11 by 17. So, pretty simple. Because essentially I'm no longer wanting or concerned about title blocks. At this point, I want to start to transition this into preparing our drawings for presentation, not preparing our drawings for like construction documents. Okay, so so then what I should have at the end is this when I'm done with my DA, start pulling in the drawing. And I'm probably going to limit myself to kind of one drawing per sheet, just because I want to control how that shows up. I mean, it is very possible perhaps to go ahead and put multiples, but I think this one isn't at the right scale. I'm going to go 1/4 scale for this. When we get into your actual project for your coffee shop or studio project, who knows what scale it'll be. It'll probably be 1/8, but anyway. So I want to make sure everything looks good, and once it does, I'm going to go ahead and run an export. And you're going to do multiples of these, just because you're not always going to have, I mean, as soon as I get all my sheets set up, then I can do it one time, but I'm not there, I don't have everything. But, and then this, let's go to 700, or zoom to 100%. We're going to select our sheets like we've done in the past. Don't need to see any of the 2D at the moment, no 3D. And then I just have these 3 sheets set up at the moment. I don't even have any name for that. Okay. So the other thing I want is that you should get used to having a graphic scale. So you go to Insert, Load Family, and then we should go to Annotations. And in the annotations, you should see this graphic scale. It'll be tempting to hit this one. I think it's better. It looks a lot better to have this one. I'll just show you. And you can see how it's got fills every other one. It's more of the traditional way you'd see it. This one just has line work. And it also only allows you to have 2 scales, 1/4 inch and 1/8. So I'm going to grab this one and open it up. Okay, I'll call this out as section 2. So I know what I'm doing to go ahead and insert that. Okay, so in your in the actual drawing, I'm going to go up to Annotate, Symbol, and you're going to insert the GA graphic scale. And the reason I did it in the drawing is that you can see that I can align things. Okay, the other thing that you're going to notice is that this is at the wrong scale. It doesn't pick up automatically what scale you're at, but I'm going to show you how to change it. Just select it, and you're going to see it has a scale factor. And the scale factor looks like it's kind of arbitrary, but it's essentially how many units in a foot you could get, whatever it is scaled at. So 1/2 inch in a foot, you could get 24 of them. So if we want a 1/4 inch, we're going to go with 48, because you get 48 1/4 inches in a foot, and apply that, and suddenly it's correct. Okay, so now we have that. We would probably need to add it to each one of these. I'll just do it real quick just because see that I'm attempting to align it with the plan title, and I'm also aligning it with the right side of the drawing. Alright, it's having a hard time because there's something that's strong up there. There. Get it closer to the object and you can get it in the right spot. So I could lock that in so if this wall moves, that moves. That's kind of cool. Okay, alright, so we have our drawings technically kind of ready to go. And what we're going to do is going to go up to File, Export, scroll down until we get to Images, and we're going to zoom 100%, select the views. We have the 3 sheets kind of created. 100% to move that up. We'll see if that's good. And I should have changed that folder. Probably should have. Okay, do it one more time. I'm going to do a oh, I really hate that they don't Revit. These will be my drawings. So essentially anything that's going to be just, I don't know, 2D work, line work. Put it there, there, there. It's good. Okay. Alright, so we also want to, well, okay, I'll end it there and then we're going to do some Inkscape here in a second.